Are you looking for a job in Canada? You are searching for best possibilities that help you to get a job in Canada. Doesn't matter if you have experience or no experience, you have good qualifications or not, you can do this job. There are numerous of jobs available in Canada like cleaner, housekeeper, storekeeper, warehouse worker, security guard, and so on, you name it and have it. So in this video, I'm going to tell you complete information on how you can find a cleaning job in Canada and how you can apply for it. So before I start this video, subscribe this channel because I am always provide these kinds of informative videos for you. So let's get started, here we go. Before you search for any job first, see where do you fall. Whether you have qualifications or any field-related experience, then search exact job. Do not apply blindly because you know you are not going to get any kind of answer from the employer unless you apply for exact job. So if you have a little bit of experience in cleaning, you have minimum 10 or 12 years of qualifications, then you can apply for it. I'm 100% sure that you can get the job. I'm not going to expand this video to get views, I'm just telling that truth, and I will provide you exact valuable information without wasting time. So I would recommend you to prepare yourself before you find or apply for a job. Okay, so first open Job Bank Canada, now time here. Cleaner. And now click on Advance. Here you can see related jobs like light duty cleaners, specialized cleaner, supervisor housekeeping, and so on. Check all of this. After that, scroll down and here you can see below the education or training, just click these checks. After that, below you can see years of experience, just click on no experience and less than 1 year experience, and the last is intended applicants. Here you have to make sure that you check on Canadians and international candidates. And that's it on view result. And there you go. You can see there are different types of cleaning jobs, and these are the latest jobs, and here you can see the salary package, which is hourly based. So pick the job where you think you are eligible for it. For example, choose this one. These are complete job requirements and other details. $17 per hour, and you can work 35 hours per week. This is permanent and full-time job. You just need English requirement. In education here, you can see no degree certificate or any diploma required for this job. If you have, then it will be a plus point for you. Below the experience here, you can see no experience required for it. In fact, you will be given training for this job. And these are the responsibilities for this job. And here you can see show how to apply for it. And this is the employer email. Here you have to send your professional Canadian style resume and cover letter. This is the point that I was talking about. Do not apply blindly before you apply for it. You have Canadian format resume and cover letter. If you think you are capable to create resume and cover letter, just go it. Otherwise, I have seen many people fail to create Canadian format resumes and cover letters. That's why they failed to get a job in Canada. I have created many resume and cover letter for international students and job seekers as well. So if you need this services from me, I can provide you at really affordable prices, and I will also help you to find out a suitable job for you. If you need more detail on how to apply for job step by step, you can watch this video. Everything is mentioned in this video. Okay, after finding the job, there is one big step to take. You have to apply for the immigration program. There are numerous immigration programs in Canada, and most of them for high qualified people, but there are some programs for laborers as well. If you get a job from an employer of Canada, you can then apply for PNP program, which is Provincial Nominee Program. And in this program, you need as low as just 4 IELTS bands, which is very easy to get. But if you think your English is good, then you don't need. Just make sure that you have English proficiency letter if you have studied from any school or college where the program language taught in English. Otherwise, it is really easy to get 4 IELTS bands. Each province has their own PNP program requirements. For example, if you are apply job, which is in Alberta province, then you can apply for Alberta PNP program. Do not worry, I will also tell you step-by-step details to apply for Alberta PNP program. This is the official website of Alberta. I have given this link in description here. You can see Alberta Express Entry Stream, but you do not need to apply for Express Entry Stream. You have to apply for PNP. Okay, scroll down a little bit here. You can see 3 options, but you have to click on Federal Skilled Worker Program. When you click on this, you will be redirected to Canada's official website. Here you will get all the details for this program, but you have to find out your occupation details. Let me show you. Just click on minimum requirements. These are the NOC tiers. Just click on NOC National Occupational Classification. After that, you will redirect to another page. Just scroll down and see the Tier 5. Here you can see occupations that usually need short-term work demonstration and no formal education. This Tier 5 is for labor types of jobs. Now you have to find out your NOC code. Just scroll down a little bit and type here clean. Here you can see your Tier 5 NOC codes. So make sure that you know your NOC code. If you think your NOC code is not there, just click on it and here type your job title, and then these are the all types of cleaning jobs or related jobs that you can apply for. After that, just see your immigration program related requirements, and these are the all requirements. And these are the selection factors. After that, just check if there is funds requirements for this program or not. After that, scroll down and just click on Get Your Documents Ready. You have to prepare all these documents. There are some other documents as well that you have to get ready. You also have to fill all the documents and forms. When your documents and forms are ready, just click on Apply or Submit Your Profile. Scroll down a little bit. And here you have to create your online account and you have to fill and upload all the documents here. Once you have filled out your profile, you can submit it online based on the information you enter. They will figure out which program under Express Entry you are eligible for, and they may be invited you to apply. That's all, guys, and then you have to wait for it. If you were eligible for this program, you will be asked for the process or documents, or you have to submit your passport and medical for the process. These are all requirements and steps. Nobody will tell you these details with step by step. So like this video and please appreciate me in the comment section as well. If you need the details, you can contact me on Instagram. Thank you.
If you want video on any topic, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on Instagram for fast reply or any update. Thank you.